So we're looking at Azure Data Factory here, and here's our Wrangling data flow. What I did is I imported this spreadsheet here, and the first column is what the job title looked like. This is the one that we want to clean. So what I did is I created what was called a conditional column, add conditional column, and it brings up this menu here. But let me show you what that looks like. Here's the output of my actions, but if I double click this, I'll show you what happened. So I said my new column name will be called job title clean, and then I have all these conditions. If this column name equals dev, then make it developer. If it's DEVL, make it developer. You can see all these transformations here, and you can just click add clause here, and then add another condition of your choosing. Enter a value. Dot should be, developer, that type of thing. So this is the experience of data wrangling. Just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what that looks like. We'll just hit OK. And then in real time, it makes the changes. So once again, this is the original column here, job title, and this is the one that we created based on our conditional logic without any code. Now, if you wanted to, we'll go down here to Advanced Editor, and this brings up the actual code behind it. So you don't have to start with code, but if you found it easier to actually manipulate the code like this, you see how it has all these if, else, all these things here. You could actually edit it that way too. I just wanted to give you some options.